Principle 7. Establish record-keeping and documentation procedures. Effective record-keeping is crucial for a functioning HACCP system. The records maintained should, at a minimum, include the following components. 1. Hazard analysis summary. A detailed summary of the hazard analysis conducted. Justification for identifying hazards and selecting control measures. 2. The HACCP plan team composition. List of HACCP team members and their assigned responsibilities. Product description. A comprehensive description of the food product, including distribution methods, intended use, and target consumer group. Verified flow diagram. A diagram illustrating the food production process, verified for accuracy. HACCP plan summary table. A table summarizing key information about each critical control point, or CCP, including CCP, the specific step in the process identified as a CCP. Hazards, the specific hazards being controlled at each CCP. Critical limits, measurable limits that must be met to ensure control of the hazard. Monitoring procedures for monitoring the CCP, including what will be monitored, how it will be monitored, how often or the frequency it will be monitored, and who is responsible for monitoring. Corrective actions. Predetermined actions to be taken if critical limits are not met, including what actions will be taken and who is responsible for taking those corrective actions. Verification, procedures, and schedule for verifying that the HACCP plan is working as intended, including what verification activities will be performed, how often they will be performed, and who is responsible for verification. Record keeping, specific records to be maintained for each CCP, including what records will be kept, who is responsible for maintaining the records. Supporting documentation. Any records that support the decisions made in the hazard analysis and HACCP plan, such as validation studies or scientific literature. 4. Operational records. Records generated during the day-to-day operation of the HACCP plan. These records demonstrate that the plan is being followed and that CCPs are under control. Examples include monitoring records, corrective action records, verification records, training records. Implementation and maintenance of the HACCP plan. Successful implementation of a HACCP plan requires commitment from top management. A designated HACCP coordinator and a well-trained team should be assembled to develop, implement, and maintain the system. The team is responsible for developing the initial HACCP plan and coordinating its implementation, appointing product teams to develop specific HACCP plans for individual products as needed, ensuring all team members and personnel responsible for monitoring receive adequate training, developing operator procedures, monitoring forms, and procedures for corrective actions, creating a timeline for initial implementation activities. Ongoing maintenance. Consistent application of monitoring, record-keeping, and corrective action procedures as outlined in the HACCP plan. Regularly scheduled verification activities to ensure the plan's effectiveness. Periodic review and updates of the HACCP plan as needed. Ongoing training for all personnel involved to ensure they understand their roles and responsibilities. All team members must understand their role and can efficiently fulfill their responsibilities. See Appendix H for examples of HACCP record-keeping forms. Link to Appendix H is on the description below. Thanks for watching.